Today, I'm going to show you how to make 300 to 500 euros or dollars every single day in the online marketing world. And it doesn't matter if you have absolutely zero marketing experience, tech experience, or you have absolutely no products to sell. I'm going to show you a proven example, and I'm going to show you how you can literally just do this. You can copy it and you can implement it within the next 10 minutes or so. And do not worry, I have absolutely nothing to sell you at the end of today's video. I give everything away for completely free. So if you do want a completely free, more in-depth guide on how this works, how you can do it and how you can get it set up, simply just drop a comment down below and I'll send that over to you for completely free. But as you can see over on my screen, there is a software company called Connect. And what Connect pretty much does is it does reputation management, SMS texting, and AI for car dealerships. Now, why I am showing you this is because I'm literally going to show you how you can literally just take their entire business model, put your own logo on an already existing software, and go out and sell it to local businesses for whatever price you want. Do not worry, this is completely legal. This other software company actually allows you to do this. But if we scroll down on this Connect software right here, as we can see, we got a bunch of different things. It offers a few different things to businesses. So improve your online reputation. This is called reputation management. And what reputation management is, you're able to help businesses get more positive Google reviews or TripAdvisor reviews or Booking.com reviews, doesn't matter the platform, and you can completely hide and internalize any of the negative reviews. A big question I get asked all of the time, is this fake reviews? And it is not fake reviews. You're actually getting reviews for your clients' actual customers, people that are actually buying things from them. You know, this can work for a bunch of different industries like hotels, restaurants, gyms, real estate agents, and so many more different industries. But if we scroll down again, as you can see over on the right hand side, it says open conversations. What this app pretty much does is think about all of the different, platforms that businesses are using out there. So they got their email addresses, they got their Instagram DMs, they got their Facebook messages, they got their SMS text messages, all in different platforms. What you're able to do with this software right here is you're able to literally just combine all of those into one. This not only saves a bunch of time, but it allows the clients to be a lot more organized because all of the leads are in one place, and it ensures they don't miss any messages, which is extremely easy to do. It happens all of the time if you're, juggling all of these different applications. The next thing that it offers is a web chat for businesses. So, think about different websites you've been on. More than likely, you've seen web chats before, you've seen live chats before. It's those little things in the bottom right of the website that usually has someone's face on there or a logo, and it asks if you have any questions. Usually if you're interested in buying something from a business, you have some questions and they have a live chat on the website, you will most likely fill this out so you can directly get in touch with the business owner. This saves you, picking up the phone and calling the business. It saves you sending an email to the business. It's directly on their platform, which makes it so easy to reach out. This software right here is literally worth tens of millions of dollars, and I'm about to show you how you can do this for completely free with zero tech experience, zero marketing experience, and you don't even need to know how to code your own software. On the other hand, this is my exact software right here, and if we head over to SaaS Configurator on the left hand side, SaaS just stands for software as a service. The reason for this is because we're offering software as a service. We're not offering your time for a service, because this business model right here, it allows you to stop selling your time. Think about the job you're working. Think about whatever you're doing full time. More than likely, you need to trade X amount of hours to get X amount of euros or dollars or pounds into your bank account. With this model right here, we're not trading our time, we're trading the software. And because the software just runs itself and it does what it needs to, clients are happy to pay you for the software every single month, and you don't really need to do much for them in return bar, do some support every now and again for them. But over on the SaaS Configurator right here, we have 3 plans right here. And this is pretty much where we're able to literally just set our pricing plans on here. So it really depends on what you want to sell to businesses. It really depends on what price you want to set it at. But personally, I sell my software for between $97 and $497 every single month to businesses. If we go ahead and click on edit details right here on this plan, and we head over to features, as you can see, we can see all of the features that you can offer to businesses for this exact price right here. So remember, on the last software that I just showed you, we had the two-way text and email conversation, we had reputation management, and we had the web chat. This software right here, on the other hand, has so many other things. As you can see, it has opportunities, it has funnels, it has memberships, which is courses. You can build and host websites, you can host blogs, you can host communities. There's a social media scheduling tool, Facebook Messenger, Google My Business Messaging, and a bunch more. And another cool thing about this right here is we can literally just choose our own price. So instead of charging $97 a month, we can charge $9.97 a month instead, and it's really down to the value that you're providing and the amount of support that you offer your client. You can literally charge whatever you think is fair, and if your client agrees to it and they're happy to pay it every single month, then you're going to make a lot of money in the process of doing so. So how this actually works, I am inside of my agency dashboard inside this software. What the agency dashboard is, it's pretty much a portal that allows me to manage all of my clients. It allows me to set my pricing. It allows me to do different things for clients. It allows me to build out different things for clients and do different things for clients. How this actually works, you are selling what's called sub-accounts to businesses. What a sub-account is, it's pretty much your client's portal. So it's where they can access everything from the website that they've built out inside of your software, the email marketing, the reputation management, pretty much everything that I've showed you today in the video. You're not only able to sell this to one client and that's it, and the money's made. You can sell this to unlimited clients. You can sell us to 10 clients every month. You can sell us to 100 clients a month, 1,000 clients, 10,000 clients. It doesn't matter. And the best part is it's pure monthly recurring revenue because you're charging this monthly fee, and all you really need to do in return for the business is check in with them maybe once every 2 weeks or once every month or whatever's agreed. Listen, I understand you probably have a bunch of questions right now. So if you do want access to that completely free step-by-step course that goes over how to do this, how to get it set up for completely free, you're literally not going to pay anything at all today. You can get this up and running. You can get this sold to clients. You can literally start making money before you need to start looking at your own hard costs. I will also give you access to a website template that you can use, put your own logo on it, and start selling your software to businesses with that monthly fee literally right away. It will have everything on there from all the different features that you're selling to businesses. You can add your own pricing on here. So, instead of 97, you can have this at $249 a month, $449 a month, $994 a month. Like I said, this will be your business right here, so you can do whatever you want. So if you do want access to all of that, I have a completely free step-by-step course down below. It's that first link in the description or the pinned comment. Today's video, I pretty much just showed you a proven business model because when I do things, I like to do things that are proven. There's no point in trying to, come up with the next best thing because you don't actually know if that thing works. So why not literally just do something that's proven to work? This business right here is worth tens of millions of dollars, and you can do this by yourself without any team members, without any hard costs, without even having any marketing experience, all for completely free. There's so many different things that I didn't even get to cover in this video, like all of the other different features and how to use them and how to get them set up. That is all covered in my completely free course. So if you do want access to that, click on that first link down in the description. If you do have any questions, you can either drop them down below or reach out to me over on Instagram. There's going to be a link for that also in the description. Make sure to drop a like and a sub as it really helps me out. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.